Thank you very much. My name is Mahesh Kotecha. I run a small financial advisory firm, but I'm from Uganda, neighbor of yours. You have truly achieved a remarkable story in Rwanda. I'd like to pick up on 2 points that you mentioned. One is infrastructure, and the other is the regional collaboration. You used some term for about, and you're going to be at the AU. Could you tell us about the vision that you have for the East African community, for the COMESA, for the SADC? They are trying to do things together, for the whole issue of integration in Africa, because there is such a degree of fragmentation that international investors who are looking to come in, they get confused. How do they know? It's hard to get to know one country, let alone 54. So could you talk a little bit about integration in East Africa and then beyond? By the way, I'm on the advisory board of East African Development Bank as a disclosure.
Okay. Well, integration, regional integration has been the way to go, much as more has been said than what has been done. That's another problem we have to overcome. But I think the benefits of integration are very obvious to many. Even those who don't practice what needs to be practiced already know. They have the knowledge, they know the importance of it, but somehow politics of some kind will step in and people end up not doing what they actually ought to have done. So we started with the East African community, which now has 6, I think, or 7 partner states. And we have insisted. If you look at what we lose in not emphasizing intra-African trade, which regional integration would easily facilitate, is huge. The intra-African trade that just is less than a fifth of what it should be is really, and it would give us, if we unlocked that, it would give us more than we are getting from anywhere, whether through aid or by Chinese or by others. So we try to emphasize this and encourage even integrating. We have, for example, a master plan for infrastructure as for the region, for these countries, where it is the railways, roads, the energy, and so on, as a catalyst of other forms of integration. We also insist on freedom of movement of people across the regions, and other forms of integration. For example, we started with the customs union, then the common market, then people are talking about, there's discussion about monetary union, then when people are saying, no, we can actually form this into one country. 6 countries can turn into one country, political federation. So the fact that people are entertaining this kind of discussion and later on doing some things about certain things that can happen, I think it is already demonstrating the understanding of that importance, but we just need to accelerate things so they happen faster.
Okay, back to this side. You've been waiting.